Ever pondered on the best ways to grow your wealth? Well, it's time to put those thoughts to rest as we delve into the top 5 ways to invest your money. Starting off the list at number 5, real estate. It's often said that the safest investment on earth is earth itself. Real estate provides a unique combination of stability, reliable cash flow, outstanding performance, and strong protection against inflation. Diversify your portfolio and consider investing in both residential and commercial properties. Moving on to number 4, peer-to-peer lending. In an age of technology, peer-to-peer lending platforms have gained traction, providing an alternative way to invest. By lending your money to individuals or small businesses in return for interest, you're not only investing in your financial future, but also supporting entrepreneurship. Coming in at number 3, stocks. Despite the risk, investing in the stock market can yield high returns, especially when approached with a long-term perspective. Diversification is key here. Spreading your investment across different sectors can cushion against potential losses. At the second spot, mutual funds. With professional management of your investment, mutual funds provide an opportunity for portfolio diversification and reduced risk. This option is especially beneficial for those who prefer to take a more passive role in their investments. And finally, at the pinnacle, number 1, yourself. Arguably, the best investment you can make is in yourself. Whether it's acquiring a new skill, furthering your education, or starting a business, investing in yourself provides an immeasurable return on investment. In conclusion, the top 5 ways to invest your money range from real estate, peer-to-peer lending, stocks, mutual funds, to investing in yourself. Remember, diversification is key in any investment strategy. It's not about putting all your eggs in one basket, but rather spreading them across multiple baskets for maximum returns and minimized risk. So, whether you're looking to build wealth, save for retirement, or just beat inflation, these 5 investment strategies can guide you on your path to financial freedom. Remember, the best time to start investing was yesterday. The second best time is now.